Hello! This lesson will show you how to access Library Search to find a book. First, from the library's homepage, notice the white Library Search bar. You can use this bar as your entry point into Library Search. Once you search for something here, you will be taken to Library Search where your search results will be displayed. Notice that you can search for everything, books and media, and articles. The Everything search will show both articles and books. The Books and Media search will show books, including ebooks, and the Article search will show articles. While you can use the Everything search for this purpose, I recommend using the Books and Media search for books and the Articles search for articles, as you will get more targeted lists of results each time. Let's search for a book. For example, let's assume that you are studying the public health effects of vaccines. While this search would involve searching multiple terms, for simplicity, we will use the term vaccines. I'm going to put this in as VACCIN*, which will also capture vaccinate, vaccine, etc. I will choose Books and Media and click on the magnifying glass. Notice the third result, Vaccines Preventing Disease and Protecting Health. If I click on Online, that takes me to the record for this ebook, where I have the option to access it through Consumer Health Complete and EBSCOhost eBooks. I will choose EBSCOhost eBooks. If I click on the table of contents, I will get a list of chapters that I can read. I will click on Setting the Stage, and then on the record for the first chapter, Vaccines and the Challenge of Emerging and Re-emerging Diseases, from HIV/AIDS to Bioterrorism, by Anthony S. Fauci. This takes me to the text of the chapter. I could access other chapters of this book in a similar way. If you have questions on how to use Library Search, please contact the library by clicking on Ask Us on the library's homepage, or by contacting your subject librarian. Thank you for watching.